Yeah, that's a good question. I think those issues were much more. You used to hear those issues much more so 10, 15 years ago, where people thought they were going to lose control. People thought that they weren't going to have decisions to hire and fire. I ran a PEO for 15 years. I don't remember ever hiring or firing anybody at a client. We've made recommendations based on information we had that we thought, from a risk perspective, they should make a decision one way or the other, but ultimately we never forced them to do that. So I think the biggest misconception is I'm going to lose control, right? I built this company, that this is my baby. This is my brand. I want everybody to know that we are the employer and we're doing all these things. And I think it used to be fear that, oh, they're going to think the PEO is my employer. That's just not the case. And I think now the way employers are looking at it and the way they're explaining it to employees is, hey, we're making an investment in you. We're partnering with this that's going to provide us better tools and resources for you, for us, and also more affordable solutions for health benefits for you and your family. So I think the big misconception is losing control, what's going to happen to me, and that's just really not the case. And what happens is the PEO winds up taking a lot of administrative responsibilities that the employer has, while the employer remains the worksite employer and retains day-to-day control over the worksite, the employees, and the operations.